Hello friends, welcome to Learn Stock Charts YouTube channel. So today I'm going to analyze next Nifty 50 stock, that is UPL. It is related to process industries. So UPL is right now running at 824 rupees 65 paisa. So let me see, my analysis moves from monthly to weekly to daily to hourly time frame. So I try to give you the support and resistance, trend lines, if any chart pattern is there, and along with that if any price action will work on it. So it started in 2007, and as per the analysis, this is the chart for UPL. So this is one trend line, this one is second trend line, and this might work. So let me nullify this one. Highest support and highest resistance, this is highest resistance first, this one is the second resistance 844, this one you consider as the third resistance 825, and bottom side first support 748, second major support is this, or you can consider this one, approximately this one 687, third one is, but we have to wait quite long, and I hope that share should not come to at this particular place 604. So let me go into the weekly one. So guys, in a weekly time frame, if I started, if you see, there is this pattern, this one. So how it work? Cup shape, W shape, head and shoulder, this time will tell. So nothing specific in weekly. Daily, guys, this is how you will able to see the pattern now. That's why a breakout will come into picture. So let me draw, this is the major line approximately at this level, because if you see, a lot of breakout is coming from this particular level. So if you see how this is working, this, this, and this. So you can say a triple W. After that a movement is upside. So now it is taking the resistance. So might be the chances are, if I can say, the upside chances are there, and on the upper side there is a trend line. This one. And one more thing, in hourly chart pattern, mm, so if you guys can say, in hourly also I am able to see the trend line, this one. So guys, you see, like I have drawn more resistance, more trend lines, but because first time we are analyzing the chart, and what I am able to see, I'm just mentioning those things on the chart. But how later on it will perform, that time will tell. We will change the trend lines, we will remove some patterns also, some new patterns will coming into picture. But on a layman term, I can only say the chart right now is having a push for a upside, but the resistance will come into its path. So keep an eye on it. And this is all about the analysis for UPL. And let me go to the already analyzed chart which we have mentioned yesterday also. If you have seen Ashiana Ispat Limited, this is a yesterday's video which I have mentioned. Sorry that my internet is little bit slow today, so you have to bear it. But I don't want that market should go into the bear level. And this is ITC, HDFC Life, Shiri Cement, and Ultra Cement. So let me go Adani Ports, and my analysis is in daily time frame if I am considering 4 or 5 stocks in a single level. See guys, clear cut breakout is coming. So let's wait and watch for Adani Ports. Bharti Airtel. Let me close this one. That's why it is little bit slow. It is still following this trend line. So it might be from cup shape, it is a W shape. But let's see how it perform. Even if it is W shape, the breakout is huge. HDFC Life. See guys, HDFC Life is also in this pattern, symmetrical triangle. ITC. So ITC is also in this pattern, symmetrical triangle. But now I can say that I am little bit able to change this pattern from here to here. No, because this is a more convenient one. So it might be a retracement for a big breakout. And next one is Shri Cement. See guys, 223 rupees. That's why I am saying this symmetrical triangle pattern will work. And next one is Ultratech Cement. See guys, how the support and resistance are working. This one. So guys, chances are upside. It is in a very narrow range. So range breakout is huge always. And also if I can see the pattern is this head and shoulder sort of pattern. So in this head and shoulder sort of pattern also the things might go high. So keep an eye on this one. And yesterday I predicted one of the stock which my viewer said ASHIS, that is Ashiana Ispat Limited. So let me see how this performs today. So guys, a big hammer. This might be, let me see, dragonfly hammer or a hanging man pattern. Dragonfly doji stick candlestick pattern or a hanging man, hammer or a hanging man pattern. So if this hanging man is coming into picture, the chances are upside as per the Google analysis. So high chances a hanging man upside. So keep an eye on it also. So I can say this is all about my today's analysis. Do let me know how you like the video. Do share my videos. So support to my channel. Do mention if any of the chart you want that I should analyze. And also I'm not a SEBI registered person, but I try to give analysis on my understanding and my perspective what I am learning from YouTube. And I request that if you are going for any trade or any investment, do your own analysis first, take advice from your financial analyst, and then go into the market. Because market is a area where when you are applying your knowledge and the result is coming into money. But if the decision is wrong, then you have to face the condition and your hands will burn. But I actually don't want that these things happen to you or any other person. But yes, learning is required, and it is not a one day or a 2 day thing. You keeps on learning, you keeps on moving, and that's how you grow. So this is all about today's video, learn stock charts. Tomorrow I am coming back with one more videos related to stocks, or might be related to cryptocurrencies. And let's see. And have a nice day, have a nice weekend guys.